Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 40 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with OKB, followed by SUI, STX, CRO, AAVE, FIL, Render, IMX, Mantle, and then we're ending with Bittensor at number 40. Let's get straight into it. OKB against BDC. Okay, still clearly under the skinny pink line. So the moment we crossed it, that's it. It's a downer. Bear trend on. How much more lower are we going to go? Not too sure. Could we start seeing a revival? A reversal maybe? Not too sure. Very, very noisy area, and we are here in the midst of it, in the thick of it. If I had to guess, right? If I had to guess, just like when things were over here, we're probably gonna take this out. That's what I mentioned over here. We're probably gonna take this week out, and at the same time, I also do think we're gonna take this week out. So a little bit more downside for OKB BDC against USD. OKB is also not looking too good again. The guess is we're taking this out. $25. Here we come. SUI against BDC. Here we are for SUI. Anything for SUI. Yep. Clearly under the skinny pink line. Any signs of a nope reversal? Nope. Not at this point of time. Against USD, SUI is also clearly under the skinny pink line. So are we gonna go for a run towards the downside first before reversal? Not too sure. We are not too sure at this point of time. Any signs of no signs of anything. This doesn't look like a accumulation or a bullish reversal. Nope. Stacks against BDC. Here we are for Stacks. Stacks is under the skinny pink line, but again, gentle weekly reminder that Stacks is in a potential squeeze for a super breakout. Alright, but as it stands, there's also a potential for Stacks to even drop even lower, right? So as it stands, nothing for us to work with. Stacks against USD, also under the skinny pink line. Could this be the same case over here? Falling wedge, falling channel. Breakout! Same thing. Breakout! Right. Preceding trend, bullish. Subsequent trend, bullish. Preceding trend, bullish. Subsequent trend, bullish. Yes? No? Not too sure. But we're under the skinny pink line. So the assumption is that bear season has started for Stacks until we truly break above it again, right? But again, if I had to guess, right, I would assume that this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be a wave 5. More likely than not, there should be a wave 5. As it stands. So like, previously, if you were to go back in the past, right, Stacks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice 5 waves. I don't see the 5th wave yet. So to me, this is a 1, 2, 3, 4. There should be another 1, 5. More likely than not, going very close to $5. Very close to $5. And then bear season starts. More likely than not, right? Again, we're not entirely sure, but feels like that could be the case. CRO against BDC. A bit, I think. CRO against USD. We look at it on KuCoin. Yeah, doesn't look good. If anything, I think CRO BDC on KuCoin is also in a bearish trend. Oh my god. Any signs of life? Nope. Reversal? Nope. CRO is just a no-go. AAVE just started springing up to life. So this is where AAVE is at the moment. It's above the skinny pink line, which is great. Will it sustain the price above the skinny pink line? That's the question that we have. Right? If you just do something like this, ladies and gentlemen, we might have ourselves an inverse head and shoulders, which is a bullish reversal, and then bam, we break out towards the upside. It's going to take some time though. I don't know if AAVE has the inclination to do that at this point of time. Yeah, again, we still need to see some consolidation over here first, and it's going to take several months, all the way to early 2025, before, potentially a big rise coming on for AAVE. So we're not too sure at this point of time. AAVE against USD. Here we are for AAVE. Okay, AAVE is also above the skinny pink line on the USD pair. Okay, let's say for example, right, if things go well on the BDC pair, very likely we're going to see it go well on the USD pair as well. So if things were to rally, where do I see us stopping? If I had to guess, right, I would say around 250, close to these highs. Around 250. Pure guessing, right? Again, we just don't have any chart pattern to work with. 250. Right, we might get a cup and handle here though. So we're going to have to wait and see how things go. Right, the handle will have to stay above the skinny pink line. if we could do that, then yay, maybe there could be something coming on, right? So there could be a trade here, right? In here, out here, 250, something like that. So yeah, as it stands, we still need to see evidence of a consolidation first. Filecoin, oh my god, Filecoin, what an absolute disappointment. It's just down, 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 down against BTC. So which means that in the beginning, once Filecoin was listed on centralized exchanges, if you have switched to BTC, you would have done so much better. Filecoin against USD, here we are for Filecoin. Any signs of life yet? Nope. We still have our $2 target. We're still loyal to our target. It still feels like we could be heading a little bit lower. Sure, there could be a rally coming on for Filecoin, but yeah, this is not a squeeze. This was a very nice ABCDE. It got BAM! Invalidated, just like that. So sadly, it is what it is for Filecoin. Render against BTC. Here we are for Render. Under the skinny pink line, for me, Render has already started bearish trend. There's a descending triangle over here. Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3, collapse. We hit resistance, the resistance line of the descending triangle, and then we bounce off of it. Yeah, I'm still expecting 5790 and 4690 to be hit for Render BTC. Render against USD. Here we are for Render. What's happening, Render? Not too sure. I mean, of course, if Render drops against BTC, very likely we're going to see Render drop against USD as well. Are we going to get a head and shoulders over here before dropping lower? Not too sure. Right, there's a very noisy area over here, which will tie in very well with this as well. So 250? Yes, no? Yeah, no. At least 50% from here. Not at least. Almost 50%. Okay, let's just measure it. Yeah, almost 50%. So Render is not looking good to us. If anything, we're anticipating more downside. The only thing about Render against USD is there's no target for the USD pair, but we have targets for the BTC pair. Immutable IMX against BTC. Here we are for IMX, clearly under the skinny pink line. New all-time lows over here. Are we gonna start a reversal? Not too sure. Against USD, clearly under the skinny pink line. Even if we were to rally, right, I would assume that the skinny pink line would hold steady, steadfast. Then we hit lower again. Right, but again, we can take trades here though, to be honest. Right, this could be like a 60-70%. That's volatility. Volatility is the lifeblood of a trader. So there could be volatility here as well. Again, not too sure. It's not clear to us. At the same time, you know, we also could get something like head and shoulders as we head lower. Stay safe, boys and girls. Mantle against USD. Here we are for Mantle. Anything for Mantle? No, under the skinny pink line. Hey, descending triangle. We had a target over here. Target hit. And now, yeah, it feels to me like we're heading lower. Consolidating. Right. Could we have a surprise rally? Sure, of course. Yeah, probably stopping at the skinny pink line. The skinny pink line will act as more likely than not a resistance. And then we could be continuing lower, right? I think more likely than not, we're going to clear these lows at 47 cents. So more likely than not, we're going to head back under 47 cents. So be careful about rushing to a trade too soon. For Mantle. Bittensor. TAO against BTC. Here we are for TAO. Wait. Okay, TAO BTC. You have it on Maxi? No, we don't have. Connex? Okay, let's just do USD. TAO Maxi. Anything for TAO? Nope. Again, the TAO is also clearly under the skinny pink line. So for me, TAO is already in a bearish trend. Sure, there could be rallies and all, but I'm assuming that TAO will hit lower to 150. Right? Noisy area over here. Yeah, more likely than not. More downside for TAO. So it's just not really looking that good. Right? We might even hit down to the gigantic symmetrical triangle over here. Right? As it stands, yeah, no. I mean, you can also assume that this whole thing could be a head and shoulders, right? Yeah, no, not really looking good. If anything, I would assume that we'll have some sort of a mountain range here again before we continue lower. So as it stands, yeah, TAO is a no-go. Absolute no-go for us. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's Top 40. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do.